I'm Henry Satus. I'm showing you how to make honey mustard chicken. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 2 chicken breast fillets. So the first thing we need to do is make sure these are nice and clean. So we'll cut off any excess fat, any sinew, anything like that. And of course check for burns because we don't want that as well. Next, all we're going to do is cut these in half. So we're going to go straight through the middle. Just like that. So it turns into 2 pieces. And we'll do that with this breast as well. Just like so. So we've got 4 pieces. So guys, next we're just going to sprinkle some salt on them. Just like so. And some cracked pepper. So next, just moving on to our stove, we've got a large frying pan here. We're just going to turn it on a medium heat. And we'll add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So once your oil's nice and hot, all we're going to do is get our breast fillets and we're going to dredge them in flour. Just a very light coating like that. And place it straight into the pan. So in my case I'm going to do this in 2 batches. Now if you want a gluten-free version, just don't use the flour, just place the breast fillet straight in. So guys, all we're doing is cooking our breast fillets for a couple of minutes on each side until they're nice and brown. Once it's nice and golden brown, we'll flip them over. And continue. Alright guys, so once it's nice and golden brown all over, we'll go ahead and take them out. Just place them into a plate. And we'll continue with the rest of our chicken. Alright guys, that's looking pretty good now. So we'll set that aside as well. Leave your pan on a low heat, and we're going to add in a half a cup of chicken stock. Now you don't need to wash the pan, all this is flavour. To this I'm going to add in 2 crushed garlic cloves, about a tablespoon of butter, about 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 heaped tablespoon of honey. I'm going to season with a pinch of salt. And about half a teaspoon of black pepper. And all we're going to do is mix this, get a well combined. And we just want to raise the heat and bring this up to the boil. So once you get a gentle boil, we'll add our chicken straight back in. Flip around, make sure it gets a good covering. We just want to cook it with the sauce for a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, we'll go ahead and add in 1 cup of cream. And all we're going to do is simmer this with the sauce for about 5 minutes until the sauce is nice and thickened up and nice and rich. Alright, that looks amazing, doesn't it? So we'll go ahead and turn the heat off at this point, and let's serve. So guys, in my case I'm just going to serve it up with some mashed potato. Just like that. And we'll finish it off with our honey mustard sauce. And just look at that. And let's finish it off with some fresh parsley. And there we have it. So this can also go with vegetables, or even with rice, which I've done in the past. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.